Hey there, cold season warriors. Today, we're talking about a soothing remedy that's been a staple for ages. Ginger tea. A warm cup of ginger tea is not just comforting. It's a powerhouse for cold relief. Why ginger? Well, it contains gingerol, a bioactive compound, with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger tea can help ease throat irritation, reduce congestion, and even alleviate nausea. Whether you're battling a cold or just want a cozy beverage, ginger tea is your go-to. Share this tip with friends in need of a comforting remedy. Here's to staying warm and well. Cheers, everyone!